It's day 58 of our DIY Sprinter van build, and today I am going to focus on making a lot of cuts, different wood for all of the upper cabinet, door, the drawers, all those things that need wood cutting, because tomorrow looks like it's going to be raining tomorrow and the day after, and I got a bunch of wood over here that's just sort of sitting. So I want to get rid of all the big wood so I don't have to bring it back into the garage. So I want to finish that. Well, that's the plan anyway. I want to cut as many as I can today and just do a bunch of them all at once. So let's get started with that. The first thing is to measure everything that I need to make cuts on, jot everything down, make it nice and neat, and then I'm just gonna plow through all of them. Just head down and just cut a bunch of wood. I got all the measurements for the cut list. Let's get started. I am done with all the pieces that I marked down. When I write everything down on a notebook and just go for it, I do it so quickly. Like I got these done maybe like in an hour. This big pile of wood here. Let me see what else I can cut while I'm at it. I'm in the groove right now, the cutting wood groove. I'm also gonna cut the pieces to put together the propane locker. 14 by 14. It should fit. I'm probably gonna go pick up a propane tank after this just to make sure everything fits inside the box. But let me just cut it first. So this is going to be the locker, 14 by 14, and put it together like this. Well, it's just going to be a box, so I will show you guys when I'm done. I am done with cutting wood for the day. I'm going to put everything away, put all the wood back into the garage, because like I said, tomorrow is going to rain, it looks like. And once I'm done, I'm going to swing by Lowe's to pick up the propane tank so that I can just make sure the box that I built for the propane is going to fit. So let me do that. Okay, let's head over to Lowe's for a little bit. Look at that big Yeti. That's pretty cute. I'm picking up some 14 gauge wire to extend the Webasto heater pump wire from yesterday's projects. I'm also going to pick up some hardware for the propane locker. And I'm also going to need a barrel bolt lock. I'm also going to need the rubber seal to make sure the enclosure is going to be airtight. So I'll pick this up too. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Let's see if that propane tank is gonna fit my 14 and 14 enclosure. Yep, I think so. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna need to make another big Lowe's run soon for all the plumbing fittings, the electrical stuff, even flooring. We could actually even start doing flooring because the cabinet's already in. So whatever is left on the floor space is for the flooring. And we decided that we're not gonna do the garage space in the back, the flooring there. We can just kind of leave it raw with the Mercedes flooring. I think it's fine. I don't think we need to do anything extra back there. It's just going to be storage anyway. So, okay. All right, that is it for today with the van build. We're going to head back home. It's like, what, 7 o'clock right now? It's almost time for dinner. Okay, let's see what's for dinner tonight. There's some beef and vegetables, yes. Algona. There's some chicken legs here. And beef liver with some eggs. Very nice. Okay, how's Savannah? Spencer, come on. You giving baby a kiss? Oh, that's some good kisses for baby, huh? Are you a cat? Are you a cat? We just got done with dinner and we're just hanging out here in the living room reading some books. Yeah. Is that monkey, Spence? Yeah. Alright guys, tomorrow I am going to try to work on the van some more if it doesn't rain too bad. So if you guys want to keep following our DIY Sprinter van build, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that. What do you smash, Spence? Like button so that it can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Spencer, you want to say bye? No, okay. No, bye. All right. No, bye. Okay, Spencer's very busy reading. Okay, bye-bye.